So utt equal to uxx. So what is the standard form of the wave equation? So dou square u by dou t square, that is equal to c square into dou square u by dou x square. Dou square u by dou t square, utt andre dou square u by dou t square, that is equal to uxx andre dou square u by dou x square. ಎರಡು compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what is your c square? Look at the boundary condition. U of x comma 0 equal to 0, and u of 0 comma t is 0, and u of 1 comma t is it is 100 into sin pi t by taking h equal to 1 by 4 and t value from 0 to 1. First we need to write the x values. To write the x values, I need to have k h value. What is h? 1 by 4. And what is the range of x from 0 to, so this is the boundary condition, right? These two are the boundary condition. So h equal to 0 and x equal to 0 to 1 with the step size 1 by 4. So what are the x values? 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, right? Next, I need to write the values of t, but this time the step size is what? K. What is k here? You need to remember this. K equal to h by c. So c square is there. What is c? 1. We can consider that as 1. What is k here? What is h? H equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 divided by 1 ಏನು? Which is again 1 by 4. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ? And look at the range of t. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಂತ? 0 to 1 with the step size 1 by 4. The same values 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. 2 by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 2. Right. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? U of x comma 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ. You are very lucky here. The initial first row is what? 0. And u of 1 comma t is given. And the last column is 100 into sin pi. Now we need look at the boundary condition. U of 0 comma t equal to 0 andre first column is 0. Then u of 1 comma t equal to 100 into sin pi t ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ವೇರಿ ಆಗೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 100 into sin pi. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ 18 ಮಾಡಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಪೈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೈ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 100 into sin pi x. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 0 ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 by 4 ಕೊಡಿ. ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 70.1 by 2 ಕೊಡಿ. ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 100. 3 by 4 ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಒನ್, ರೈಟ್? 70.7107. Next, equal to kodi 1 kodi, it is 0, right? What is u of x comma 0? It is 0. So we are in wave equation. You have to remember we have two formula here. One is for the second row, and the remaining rows we have another formula. For the second row, so this is A, this is B, and this is C. Ayenagutte ivaga what is A? What is A here? B plus C divided by 2. You have to consider this. You have to consider this. And you have to consider one more block. What is that? D. In formula, so this is equal to what? B plus C minus D. Just take the average. 0 plus 0 divided by 2. 0 plus 0 divided by 2. 0 plus 0 divided by 2. Remaining rows ಬೇಕು again ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? This one, I will use another. So this one, and this one, and this one. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 0 plus 0 minus 0. 0. 0 plus 0 minus 0. 0. 0 plus 70.7107 minus 0. 0 plus 0 minus 0. 0 plus 70.7107 minus 0. 0 plus 100 minus 0. 0 plus 70.07 minus 0. 0 plus 100 minus 0. 70.7107 plus 70.7107 minus, so you will get the same.